Did your bank or lender just reported a payment as late on your credit report? Before you panic and start disputing, just stop. In order for a financial institution to report a payment as late, they must also be in compliance with reporting this negative information. They have to send out a negative information notice to the consumer. One late payment can destroy your credit unless you do this. See, did your bank or lender just reported a payment as late on your credit report? Before you panic and start disputing, just stop. Take a breath and let's figure this out. All right? Don't panic. I'm here to save you. Because that one late payment could be the key to a major violation under federal laws, that gives you deletion or damages if you know what to look for. So here's the reality. Most late payments aren't even accurate. Banks often report payment late by mistake, fail to update correct data, or report the same account to all three CRAs with different dates. The banks are not being consistent with the way they report. Follow me now. They're not being consistent with the way they report. And because they're not consistent in the way they report, the banks also violate the reporting guidelines. 15 U.S.C. 1666b. On the timing of payment, it requires a financial institution not to treat a payment as late unless, first, they have to be sending out periodic statements. That's number one. In addition to the periodic statements, they must send disclosures from section 1637b. In addition to that, they must prove that it was mailed or delivered to the consumer no later than 21 days before the payment due date. Have you ever received any of those notices? Did you also know that in order for a financial institution to report a payment as late, they must also be in compliance with the negative information rule? Bet y'all didn't know that. So the negative information law, it says that a financial institution, before it can report any negative information to a consumer reporting agency, so prior to the reporting of the negative information to the consumer reporting agency, or within 30 days of reporting this negative information, they have to send out a negative information notice to the consumer. So let me ask you a question. Did you ever receive a negative information notice from any financial institution? The answer is no. Guys, I am hosting a 5-day Forbidden AI challenge where over 5 days, I'm going to teach you how to delete so many accounts from your credit reports, like payments, charge-offs, student loans, bankruptcies, collections, whatever negative item you have, ask me. And I'm going to show you guys how we use artificial intelligence, human intelligence oversight, case laws. There has never been an easier time to get items deleted from your credit than now. If you want to be a part of this 5-day challenge, I'm going to have a link below, or you could type the word AI or comment the word AI depending on the platform that you're on, and I will give you guys a free general admission ticket that you can use. Come to the challenge, ask me the questions so I can give you a better response, because most people have different scenarios. The 5-day challenge is the best place for you to ask me questions live, and I promise you, prepare to have your mind blown. All right, remember, click the link below or comment the word AI. I will send a free general admission ticket for you. See you on the challenge.